jalapeno pepper on.
Just like they do at the pizza places.
Ah, exactly.
Yeah.
Yum. Alright. Looks good. Here, put more ketchup on. Put more ketchup. Ketchup.
Ketchup. Taco sauce.
Hey, I got your cheese right here.
Oh, thanks.
There you go. Wow, you guys have really been hard at work there. Look at that. Now the only thing left here. Oh my goodness. Now that's a pizza, even if we don't. Oh. And there's an extra tortilla right in there.
Yeah, here's another tortilla.
Oh my goodness. Well, the only thing that's left is pudding and grapes.
Dessert pizza.
Oh.